What if time is not what we think it is? What if our entire perception of past, present, and future is an illusion, crafted by the mind to bring order to chaos? Physicists and philosophers alike have struggled to define time. It appears to flow, yet we have never seen time itself, only its effects. Clocks tick, seasons change, we grow older. But are these signs of time passing, or just transformations in matter and energy? Einstein shattered the classical notion of time with his theory of relativity. According to him, time is not a constant flow, but is woven into the very fabric of space. It can stretch and compress depending on gravity and speed. Time is relative, not universal. On a speeding spacecraft, time slows down compared to Earth. Near a black hole, time nearly halts. Imagine standing at the event horizon, where time moves so slowly compared to the rest of the universe that billions of years could pass outside in mere moments. This isn't science fiction. It's confirmed by atomic clocks flown in aircraft and by GPS satellites that need constant correction for relativistic time shifts. But the implications go even deeper. In Einstein's block universe concept, past, present, and future all coexist. Time doesn't move like a river. Instead, all events exist simultaneously. We are simply experiencing one slice of the block at a time. Think of a DVD. The entire movie already exists, yet we play it second by second. To us, the story unfolds. But from the DVD's point of view, it all already happened, and always will. Could our universe be the same? This leads us to the idea of temporal illusion. Neuroscience tells us that our perception of now is a mental construction. Our brains stitch together moments to create a smooth sense of time. But in reality, events may be disjointed or even simultaneous. Could this mean free will is an illusion too? If the future already exists, are we simply following a predetermined script? Some physicists say yes. Quantum theory suggests all possible futures exist until one is observed, but even this doesn't fully break the illusion of choice. If everything is governed by probability and observation, then perhaps even choice is a consequence of deeper physical laws. However, other models challenge this deterministic view. The growing block universe proposes that only the past and present are real, while the future is constantly being written. In this view, time is like a tree, growing ever upward, branching with possibility. In yet another model, presentism, only the current moment exists. The past is gone, the future unwritten. It's the most intuitive idea of time, yet the least supported by physics. So where does that leave us? At infinity beyond, we ask, does it even matter if time is real? Or is the true mystery how time shapes consciousness itself? We measure our lives in years, hours, seconds, but time as we feel it is deeply personal. 1 hour of joy can vanish in an instant. A single minute of pain can stretch into eternity. So maybe the real question isn't what time is, but how it feels, and how it ends. Entropy tells us that the universe is moving toward disorder. Over trillions of years, stars will die, galaxies will fade, and time itself may cease to have meaning in a cold, dark cosmos. But maybe that end is not the end. Perhaps, as we discussed before, the universe cycles. Perhaps time, too, is cyclical, a never-ending wheel of creation and destruction. Or perhaps time, as we know it, is just the blink of an eye in a reality far grander than we can comprehend. Whatever the truth, one thing is certain. The mystery of time is not just a problem for scientists. It is a riddle for anyone who has ever wondered where they came from or where they're going. And we will keep asking, because at infinity beyond, the journey never stops.